Hey guys, it's Seth, your detail doc here. Just wanted to show you guys what we've been working on. This is a 2003 Buick LeSabre, almost a 20-year-old car. And the clients came to me. They just purchased the vehicle, and beforehand the vehicle was kept inside, and it hadn't really seen the elements too much, but now they just bought it and they're going to be using it a lot more. They're going to be keeping it outside, so they wanted to really clean up the paint and then add some protection on it. They were concerned about some of the swirls and scratches on this back hatch over here. Being as it is an old vehicle, we weren't shooting per perfection, but holy smokes, there was a night and day difference on that. Extremely glossy. You can see my reflection in there pretty good. So we did one stage of paint enhancement, remove the majority of the swirl marks, make it really shiny and pretty, and check out that gloss and depth. It's not perfect. There's still things in there that we're not getting out. But then we protected it with our 1-year ceramic coating, and they're going to be absolutely amazed with this. There's so much depth, gloss, and clarity with this one, and it's protected now. Especially from that, winters here. Salt's going to be hitting the roads even harder now. So we're protecting the paint from the salt, making it so much easier to keep it clean in the winter, inhibit the corrosion. If you guys would be interested in a service just like this, the entry-level option, or any of my other ceramic coatings, detailing, anything of the sorts, make sure to give me a call, 989-244-0505. I'd be happy to help you guys out, give you guys some pricing options, see what best fits for you guys. And thank you guys very much for watching today.